My question was that you have described in detail, the BMC model of oxygen management, and it has been talked about in the Supreme Court as well, uh, and it has been cited by the central government as a model to follow for other states. But my question was related to, there is an allocation formula by the center, for all states as to how much oxygen they actually need, which is based on, number of cases and, number of hospital beds, number of ICU beds. And, roughly the formula is that, 100% of ICU beds will get oxygen and 50% of non-ICU beds will get oxygen. Uh, and according to this formula, it was submitted in the Supreme Court also that, Delhi needs about 400 to 500 empties of oxygen. And look at Mumbai, how, when they had 93,000 cases, they managed in about, their demand from the center was around 200 to 300 empties of oxygen. This was submission in the Supreme Court. But what do you think of this allocation formula? Because despite this allocation formula and center's insistence that, 400, 500 is manageable, and, in between Delhi has even got that 400, 500 empties of oxygen, and still Delhi is massively struggling. So do you think this formula is correct at a time, when, the demand for beds itself exceeds the availability, and, not everybody who is symptomatic is probably getting an RT-PCR test done, or is getting their reports in time. So we are looking at a situation where the number of cases which is there in the government data may not actually reflect the real position on the ground. Similarly, the number of beds which is there according to the availability in the hospital, it may not actually fit in the formula.
Let me answer this question in a very candid and a strong manner. Government of India is absolutely not to be blamed at all. I repeat, Government of India should not be blamed at all. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, if anybody has to be blamed, it is those states. Now, I'll tell you why. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, we have been very honest with the figures. We were reporting 66,000 figures of new positives every day. When the whole country was laughing at us, my batchmate would say कि महाराष्ट्र में ऐसा क्या है कि कोविड वहीं आता है, and people would say कि बॉम्बे में आपके 11,000 केस क्यों आ रहे हैं, ये तो अभी इंडिया में कहीं नहीं आए इतने, ऐसा क्या हो रहा है वहां पे. So as long as many states of India were not even ready to admit how many cases they have, how does Government of India allocate them? One of our neighboring states had 6,000 cases when we had 60,000 cases. But I'm sure if they tested properly, they would also have been 60,000. Now, how does Government of India allocate them equal amount of oxygen like us? So many state governments, short of using the word hiding, the figures were not coming out. Otherwise, how can it happen that if Maharashtra has 66,000 cases coming together for 30, 40 days at a time, the neighboring states have 5,000 cases, 2,000 cases, 1,000 cases. Now, Government of India has to act on the data. If the neighboring state has only 1,000 cases, 2,000 cases, 5,000 cases, their allocation will be very poor. When the allocation is very poor, people are going to suffer. When people are going to suffer, people say allocation हमें ठीक नहीं, the Government of India's formula is not correct. So Maharashtra, our Honorable CM Uddhav Thackeray sir has been telling us right from the May we joined. He said, Chahal, if there are deaths, don't be shy away from reporting them. We are the only one city in the country, I must repeat, where I gave orders on last 6th of June 2020 to all my ward officers that there are many cases where people gave swabs, they couldn't reach hospitals, they died at homes only. We have the death certificates. Please do investigation. All such people, those days, 4th of April 2020 reports came on 22nd April because we had only 4 labs. So I have a case where 4th of April positive swab, 4th of April swab taken in Mumbai. The report was given by lab on 22nd April before I joined here. By that time, the patient had died and his high-risk contacts also had died. So we unearthed these people, home deaths. On a single day, on 16th of June, I declared 862 deaths on the ICMR portal. No other city in the country has done it. 862 deaths reported in a single day. Whole world was shouting on me. Union Health Secretary shouted at us कि क्या हो रहा है, आपने हमारी average खराब कर दी. I said our CM has told us to be honest, and we are unearthing and declaring all these backlog. These were deaths of March, April, May, which we had declared on 16th of June. 862 deaths declared on a single day, and my death rate jumped from 3% to 6%. And everybody said Mumbai has such a poor death rate. But this is an example. Our honorable CM has been so courageous. He says, doesn't matter. Don't hide any death. Don't hide any positive case. Don't hide any figure. So Maharashtra is very transparent from the day one. And that is why maybe we are benefiting in oxygen allocation also, because our data speaks for that. But those states who are not showing cases only, who are not doing testing only, who are telling everybody that हमारे तो case ही नहीं है, now what right they have to say कि we are getting poor oxygen? This is my answer.